All right, everybody, next we have the Turin outdoor table dining set. Let's go check it out. It's from Mercano by American Eco Living. All right, so this set comes with 6 chairs. That's gonna have 3 boxes. You have this one dining table base, and then right there, you have the large table. All right, let's go ahead and open this one up. Go ahead and get some of this styrofoam out of the way. Actually, let's go ahead and pull these right out. This is going to be one of the legs. The other leg. Guess what? Another one, and then the last one. Go ahead and now we'll take the styrofoam, and that's it. All that's in here in the base are the legs for the table. So for the leg here, we're just gonna go ahead and take this protection off of it. There you go. We're gonna do that for the other ones. Alright, so far I've been super happy with the packaging. They really take time and care into making sure that the product stays well protected during shipment. So we have all of our legs off. Alright, so next we're gonna unbox the table base. I gotta be very careful. This thing is pretty heavy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay it flat down, unbox it, and then we'll show you what we do from there. Now that we got the box down, we're gonna go in and just cut the tape. Well, there you go. Very well packaged so far. Continue to open it up. Start taking this styrofoam off. And then we'll go ahead and just take this off, and you see the awesome tabletop. I'm gonna lift this up. Make sure we get our assembly kit from the bottom. It'll have all of our bolts and everything we need. Throw these to the side, and we'll go from there. So after we lift the tabletop up, we're gonna have 4 more pieces in here. Go ahead and get these out and start unwrapping them. They're gonna be the side pieces to the tabletop. All right, now that we have all 4 pieces unwrapped, we're gonna set all the parts aside, take care of all the garbage, and come right back. Alrighty, so now we're gonna get ready to assemble it. We're gonna go ahead and start separating out all of our bolts and parts. So in this container right here, we'll have our instructions. So let's go ahead and take a look at it so we know how to put this thing together. Alrighty, so the steps to assemble this table are pretty simple. Go ahead and grab one of your legs. Grab one of the short pieces. And then grab one of the very long pieces. Alright, so that very large styrofoam piece, we're going to use that to start assembling this. So grab those two side pieces and that one leg, and let's get to it. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab our leg. Then we're gonna grab one of the small pieces and we're gonna put it so they line up right in there. And then we're gonna go ahead, grab one of our bolts and start hand screwing it in. All right, now that we have all three bolts nice and tightened, we're gonna go ahead and get the long piece put in right here. Repeat the same thing that we just did. All right, now that you got that side bolted in, we're gonna grab another leg. We're gonna gut it in right there. Alrighty, we're almost done. We got two more legs to go on, and then the last beam to go straight across. So this big long piece, I'm gonna go ahead and set aside so I can start building the other part. We're gonna grab the two more legs. And the long centerpiece. And get these bolted up just like we did for the other one. All right, we got that all bolted in. Let's just flip it over and go ahead and get the other leg bolted in. And there we go, getting the last of that bolt tightened up, super easy. Now let's go ahead and connect them together. Sweet. All right, we're gonna get our 3 bolts in here. Let's make quick work of that. We got 3 more down there. Alrighty, just tightening up the last, the last bolt. Now we have our base ready. Next, we can put our tabletop, boom, right on top of this. Alrighty, before we get the top on, we want to go ahead and just get these plates put in each 4 of the corners. All right, what you're gonna do right before you put your tabletop on, you're gonna grab those pads. You're gonna unsticky that part and put 2 on each of the smaller part and 3 on the longer parts. So we have it unstickied. Boom, put the pad right there. Well, there you go. It's almost done. Last step we need to do is we need to go ahead and bolt the top in. Super easy. We'll get it. Well, the parts you're gonna need, got your bolts, you got some washers, and you got an Allen wrench. All right, we're gonna go down underneath the table here. Find the holes, like right there. Go ahead and get those bolted in. All right, there you go. We have all of them bolted in. And now let's go back up on the top side. So one of the last things we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and pop that right in there. We don't have a umbrella going in there, but if you do, pop it right in there. All right, so now that we have this table put together, wouldn't it be awesome if you had some chairs? We got those too. I'll show you how we put those together. Alrighty, so lastly, we need something to sit in. This set comes with 3 boxes, 2 chairs in each. Let's go ahead and open it up and we'll show you what you gotta do. Now that you got it cut open, let's dive deep in. Let's go check it out. There you go. Open it up. Got your cushions right here. And the best part about it, all the chairs are already pre-assembled. Just take the stuff off and put it where you want to go. We pulled out, both chairs are together. There'll be 2 strings right here that you need to undo. And then the chairs can come right apart. After you have the chairs apart, just go ahead and untie all of these. Take the protective sleeves off of the bottoms. Go ahead and grab your cushions. Pop it on there. And now they're to put together. Well, you can enjoy them. Preferably with your awesome dining table. We'll go put them out there by it. And the last thing to do is eat with your family at this awesome table. Yeah.